भगवते वासुदेवाय। वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरो श्रीयुता पदकमलम्।
God is living within the core of the heart, and the living entity, he is also living within this core of the heart. They are living just like two birds sitting on the branch of one tree. These are the Vedic statements. There are two birds sitting on the branch of the same tree. One bird is eating the fruit of the tree, and the other bird simply witnessing. This is the Vedic statement. So, the eating bird, we are living entity. We are eating the fruit as we are working, and the result of our working we are enjoying. But God, the super soul, he is not interested in eating the fruits of the tree. He is self-satisfied. He is simply observing how you are working. Because we are working with this body, and God is situated in the same heart. The God is there, and with individual soul also there. So, why he is there? Because he is friend. Suridam sarvabhutanam. It is stated in the Vedas that two friendly birds. God is our actual friend, well-wisher friend, Suridam. He is simply trying to turn our face towards him. So long he does not do so, he is changing different bodies. And God is also going with him. He is so friendly. Just to advise him in due time that why you are changing from one body to another, one body to another. Why don't you come to me and live peacefully, blissful life? That is God's mission. Jada jada hi dharmasya glani bhavati tadatmanam srijamyaham. So, God is so great friend of us. He is always witnessing. And as I am desiring, God is giving us facility. All right. You want to enjoy like this, you take this body and enjoy. Actually you are not enjoying. When we have no discrimination of food, we can eat anything and everything. That's the hogs and pigs. So God said, all right, you take the body of a pig and hog, and you can eat even up to stew. I give you the facility. That is, as we are desiring, so God is supplying a type of body for our enjoyment. Ishara sarvabhutanam riddeshe orjuna tishtati brahmayan sarvabhutani jantrarudhani maya. He orders material nature that this individual soul wants a certain type of body to enjoy like this, so give him. So material nature immediately makes ready a type of body. Jang jangavapi smaran loki tajantan. So at the time of death, as our desires, my mind is obsessed with certain type of desire, immediately a similar body is ready. The Daivanatrena, by superior law, the living entity is entered into the womb of a particular mother, and he develops the particular body, then he comes out and enjoys the suffering. This is going on. Bhutta bhutta praliyati. So, God is witness. He is along with us always. Whatever we are desiring, whatever we are working, He is witness and He is giving the result. Therefore Krishna says, Hitragvan chapi mang vidhi. I am also one of the occupant of this body. But what is the difference between you and me? You know simply about your body. I know everything of everyone's body. That is the difference. Kshetrangan chapi mang vidhi sarva kshetresu. God knows what are the desires and activities of a little ant, and He knows what are the desires and activities of Lord Brahma, the biggest living entity within this universe, and the smallest everywhere. God. It is said, Ishvara sarvabhutanam riddesha arjuna tishtati. He is situated in everyone's heart. It does not mean that He lives in the Brahmin's heart and not in the ant's heart. Everyone's heart.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.